As you can see, I can move and talk flawlessly. AI avatars are becoming more lifelike and easier to create. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can make one effortlessly. Stay tuned and watch until the end.
For this tutorial, we are going to use HeyGen. You can sign up with your email or your Google account. Once you sign up and verify, you can go ahead and set up your account. Then click on Create Video, select Avatar Video, select Landscape or Portrait, depending on what kind of video you're creating. For this video, I'm going to select Landscape. Click on the avatar on the top and then click on Create Avatar. You can either select from the realistic avatar from HeyGen or you can upload your own. To upload your own, click on Custom Photo Avatar. Once you select your photo, scroll down and click on Upload. The green check mark shows you that your photo is already approved. Now click on Continue. Give your avatar name, add age and gender, and click on Continue. On the next page, it asks you to choose a voice for the avatar or to add a voice. For now, just click on Choose a Voice. Click on the avatar on the top. When you click on the three dots, you can see Add Motion. When you click on Add Motion, you get this box, and we're gonna leave it as it is for the first try. And click on Add Motion. It's generating a motion look. It may take a few minutes. After a few minutes, the motion is ready. As you can see, her hand gesture and her movement is good.
Type your script to get started.
If you're not satisfied, you can just go back to your avatar and click on Add Motion. This time, let's test by adding a prompt. And I put it on Expressive. Click on Add Motion and you can see it's generating a new motion. You can add up to 300 new look to your same avatar. The motion is now ready, but as you can see, it doesn't look good. Her hand is still hanging on the mic while a third hand popping out. It requires generating more motion to see if it works with a prompt. But for now, in my opinion, it's perfect without prompt. So I'm going to use the first motion I have generated. Now it's time to create our video. Go back to the avatar and select the motion. Scroll down and click on Create with AI Studio. Click on Landscape. For the audio, you can upload your own audio or you can use AI voices from HeyGen library. If you decided to use the AI voices from the library, click on the box and paste your script. When you hover in here, you can see a choice to select your voice.
Move and talk flawlessly. AI avatar.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is what I sound. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hi, I am a generated voice and this is...
For now, I will leave it as it is, and you can also add a scene by clicking right here. You can also add animated caption. Once you select the voice and add all the detail you want, click on Generate. Finally, click on Submit. After a few minutes, our video is ready.
As you can see, I can move and talk flawlessly. AI avatars are becoming more lifelike and easier to create.
Alright, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.